Pure vector search loses to hybrid plus semantic ranker almost every time. Combining keyword, vector, and re-ranking recovers relevance that embeddings miss alone. This is for engineers building retrieval for RAG or product search. Microsoft's own benchmarks show semantic ranking lifts relevance meaningfully over vector only. We cover 3 layers: Rank Fusion, the semantic reranker, and the Python query. One default constant quietly caps your recall. That gotcha lands near the end. Think of hybrid search as 3 scoring stages stacked together. First, BM25 scores keyword matches on the inverted index. Second, vector search ranks by cosine similarity over embeddings. Third, the semantic ranker reorders the top candidates. Keyword catches exact terms and rare tokens. Vectors catch meaning and paraphrase. The reranker fixes the ordering both get wrong. Keyword and vector produce 2 separate ranked lists. Azure fuses them with Reciprocal Rank Fusion, RRF. Each document scores 1 over k plus its rank. The default k is 60, and it is fixed. Ranks matter here, raw scores do not. A document ranked third in both lists beats one ranked first in only one. Fusion happens before any re-ranking. The semantic ranker is a separate model from Bing. It takes up to 50 fused results and re-ranks them. It applies machine reading comprehension over your configured fields. Output is a re-ranker score from 0 to 4. It also returns captions and optional extractive answers. Only the top 50 ever get re-ranked. Anything below that cutoff never improves. Here is the whole thing in one search call. Pass search underscore text for keyword and vector underscore queries for embeddings. Set query underscore type to semantic to enable the re-ranker. Name the semantic configuration you defined on the index. One call, 3 scoring layers, fused automatically. The query only works if the index is configured right. Your vector field needs an HNSW profile and matching dimensions. Define a semantic configuration naming your title and content fields. Mark text field searchable so BM25 works. Mismatched embedding dimensions fail the query outright. Here is the constant that bites people. Set k underscore neighbors to 50, not 10. Fetch only 10 vectors and the re-ranker starves. It can re-rank 50, but you handed it 10. Also, semantic ranking is billed per 1000 queries. The free tier caps at 1000 monthly. Check current Azure pricing before you scale. Hybrid beats single signal retrieval because the signals fail differently. RRF fuses ranks, the semantic ranker fixes ordering. Fetch 50 candidates so the re-ranker has room. Match embedding dimensions and name your semantic config. Watch the per query billing at scale. Subscribe for more Azure retrieval deep dives. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.